It's going to stay really nice for these first couple of days, even the whole week ahead. Now, however, once we finally get kicked into the fall season, it feels like we are coming in full force because we've already got some 30s in the forecast. We're going to be talking first chance to see frost across central Indiana. 57 degrees right now. If you're heading out the door, it's a little bit cooler, dropping now in temperatures. Looking at dew point of 40 degrees, and those numbers, the dew point temperatures are going to go down quite a bit in these next couple of days, and they're already pretty low. Hour by hour forecast. If you're a late shift worker, we're looking at temperatures dropping into the low and mid 40s overnight, starting off tomorrow morning with mostly clear skies, plenty of sunshine. Once again, rinse and repeat of what we saw over the weekend. Our high temperatures today, very normal seasonal conditions. We looked at 72 degrees. That's average for Indianapolis, and we hit 71. So right where we should be, with the record high being at 92 just a couple of years ago. Right now, upper 40s and mid 50s for most of us, and temperatures tomorrow are going to rebound nicely again. We're going to go back to around 70 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. It was a breezy weekend, though. We had temperatures in the low 70s, wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Today, that was no different. One of the highest ones here, Muncie, close to 30 miles per hour. But those winds are going to start to calm down, so you'll notice that it'll be a little bit more comfortable maybe tomorrow in the afternoon time. If it's heating up and you're standing in the sun, you're thinking, oh man, it's really hot outside. Well, we're looking at winds calming down just a little bit, but right now still a good 12-mile-an-hour breeze in Indianapolis. Our dew points sitting in the low 40s, some in the upper 30s already, and looking at once again a dry radar. Satellite and radar, very dry, clear conditions, and looking at the water vapor, so looking at moisture content in the air, all the orange we see that's kind of passed over Indianapolis, we are looking at a very dry air mass overhead, and it's going to get even drier. Still pulling in some cold, cool air from the northeast, and with that strong breeze we had these last couple of days, it did help to pull our temperatures down a little bit. So winds are out of the northeast, and it's helping those overnight lows cool off a little bit. All right, talking about the dry air mass overhead, these are dew points into the future. So for the middle of this week, about Tuesday, and these are pretty low, 24 degrees on the dew point temperature. That is just talking about extremely dry air. We do have a small chance to see some rain in the middle of the week, even as late as Wednesday to Thursday. But not only those dew points going lower to cool off the air mass, we're also looking at a very deep trough, and this is going to be by Friday. So when we mentioned cold temperatures waking up to 30s potentially Friday, Saturday morning, or Saturday morning at least, we're going to be looking at this very cold air mass sinking in and bringing us those temperatures at least into the upper 30s. I think there's going to be some that hit that freezing mark pretty easily as we make our way towards the end of the week. It might be pretty far for northern Indiana, but would not be surprised if that happens here locally if we get well into the weekend and see low temperatures in the mid and upper 30s. So hitting a high around 70 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. We are talking about a very calm, sunny week ahead, but we do have that chance for rain in the middle of the week there, and after that, notice our temperatures drop off quite a bit as we head into Friday. Chris?
Well, another day